In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. To use App Cloner available on your Samsung, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Advanced Features. Now you need to scroll again, this time to click on Dual Messenger. Finally, use gray switcher next to any available app you wanna clone and hit Install in the pop-up. If you never used App Cloner before, tap on Confirm in Disclaimer 1. And in order to use separate contact list, use this switcher at the top. Hit Select Contacts and add them by hitting Add at the top right corner and tapping on the chosen ones. Now select Done and simply go back. If you don't want to do that though, you need to click on OK and use your regular contacts pop-up. Go back, click on the switcher again and hit Install. This time your app will be successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can always go back to the same settings and use No Blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!